I walk on the beach. I walk on the beach.
I lie on the sand. I lie on the sand.
This is a crab. This is a crab.
This is a shell. This is a shell. I sit near the water. I sit near the water.
I swim in the sea. I swim in the sea.
This is a seagull. This is a seagull.
This is a starfish. This is a starfish.
I look at the waves. I look at the waves. I take photos. I take photos. I wear a hat. I wear a hat.
This is a shovel. This is a shovel.
This is a sandcastle. This is a sandcastle.
I dig in the sand. I dig in the sand.
This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is sunscreen. This is sunscreen.
I collect shells. I collect shells. I play in the water. I play in the water. I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream.
I look at the sky. I look at the sky.
I swim in the ocean. I swim in the ocean. I lie in the sun. I lie in the sun.
I sit on a towel. I sit on a towel. I play with sand. I play with sand. I watch the birds. I watch the birds.
I relax in the sun. I relax in the sun.
Learn English with fun. Learn English with fun.